make planets. With the planets. Earth and Mars, Jupiter and Saturn. These are the big ones. Venus and Neptune. And Pluto, these are the planets.
Hey, let's get started.
Yeah.
So we're going to tape backwards. We're going to tape backwards, right?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
No, what the for? What is for?
Oh, what is this for?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna first cut it, get the ball out, and then we're gonna put paper mache around it.
We finished taping
Yeah.
up the planets.
Yeah.
Yay!
Hand.
So now we're going to
This hand.
cut the planet open.
This hand.
Now I'm going to open it.
I see little bit red.
Yeah. Elliot,
Yeah.
this is dangerous, right?
Yeah.
Oh, be careful. So, ask mommy for help. Tell our friends to ask mommy for help.
Mommy, it's help.
Mommy needs to help.
Mommy needs to help.
Scissor is dangerous.
Scissor is dangerous.
Okay, so now we're going to open it and take our ball out. Can we take our ball out, Elliot?
Yeah.
Hey, look at this. Look at this. Wow.
Wow.
Now we're going to take the tape and we're going to tape it like this. Okay? Now that this is open, we need to tape it.
Okay.
Okay, let's show our friends how to take the clip out. So we're going to take the clip and then we're going to take this ring out. It looks like this when we take it out. We have two, yay. Now that we taped it, we're going to tape it. We're going to tape it to our planet. To the planet.
This is Pluto. Wow.
Yay! You wanna hold it, Elliot?
Yeah.
And show our friends. Yay! Now that we're done, should we start our paper mache?
Yeah.
So, Mommy and Elliot, we cut this, right, Elliot? Yeah, so now we're ready to use our paper mache.
Give me, Mommy.
So
Yeah.
we need our water.
Yeah. Where is water? There it is.
So we're going to use the water.
Yeah.
We're going to put our paper mache in the water, dip it.
I had.
And then we're going to cover it like this. And then we're going to do our paper mache. Yeah, well, make sure it's flat.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
mommy, like this. Shane, Leah, look at mommy. 이렇게 해야 돼?
Yeah. It did flat.
Flat. 그렇죠? Oh my gosh, it's gonna stick on the table permanently.
Uh-oh. Read it. 너네 할 거야. 맞지? 어도.
거기 넣지 마.
헤이. I'm doing well.
Yeah, you're doing really well.
Uh-oh.
This is
Remember.
fun. Rainbow.
Let's rain it.
Marina's is still outside.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. We'll wash it later.
Jupiter is 5 million big.
Wow, that's really big.
Yeah. Orange, white, brown, yellow, orange.
Oh, you learned that from
Where?
this book? Jupiter is the largest planet. Jupiter is the stormiest planet in the solar system.
Red,
Yeah.
White?
Yeah, the red spot represents storm.
yeah. It's funny.
Ha ha ha.
Ha 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 ha.
Mommy done.
Let's Jupiter. Let's Jupiter.
Martin Jupiter.
Is this Mercury? This is Venus. This is Earth. This is Mars. This is Jupiter, the biggest planet. Saturn is winged on it. Winged on it.
Saturn has rings, right? Lots of rings.
Yeah, major one. Oh,
What's next?
minute. Wing. Hi, flying wing.
What's the last one?
Neptune. That's Major on.
Which one is that?
Mercury. Huckle. Venus. Earth. Mars. Jupiter. Saturn. Duck. Venus.
That Mercury.
Mercury. Venus. Earth. Mars. Jupiter.